Hello friends, I would like to congratulate you for entering semester 4 of BSc program. In this semester 4 for inorganic chemistry, there are some topics, and among these topics, first topic whose title is coordination chemistry. So we have to study coordination chemistry for this paper. You have been listening several organic compounds as well as inorganic compounds. Inorganic compounds such as sodium chloride, potassium bromide, ammonium chloride, ammonium bromide. So such compounds whose structure is simple, such inorganic ionic compounds, they are termed as simple salts. They are simple compounds, that's why they are called as simple salts. All these are salt compounds: sodium chloride, potassium bromide, ammonium chloride, etc. If you see about the names of these compounds, so here K2SO4, Al twice, SO4 thrice, 24H2O. So this is potassium aluminium sulfate. Next compound whose formula is here, FeSO4, NH4 twice SO4, 6H2O. This compound is called as ferrous ammonium sulfate. Here these two compounds, they are made just by addition, just by combination. Here potassium sulfate and aluminum sulfate, they are mixed together, they are added together. In this compound, ferrous sulfate and ammonium sulfate, they are mixed in proper proportion. So there is addition of two compounds, and these compounds are formed by addition of two simple salts. Such compounds, they are known as double salts. So ferrous ammonium sulfate is a double salt. Ferrous sulfate is simple salt. Ammonium sulfate is simple salt. But if these two compounds, they are mixed together, this adduct is formed, this addition compound is formed, which is called as ferrous ammonium sulfate. So such compounds, they are known as double salts. If we see this compound K4FeCN6 or cobalt 6 ammonia in bracket, and outside of this square bracket there are 3 chlorides, and the name of this compound is hexaamine cobalt chloride. So such compounds, potassium ferrocyanide or hexaamine cobalt chloride or other several compounds are still there. These compounds are known as complex compounds. Also they are termed as coordination complex compound. And study of these coordination complex compounds we have to do for this semester. So what is meant by coordination chemistry? Coordination chemistry is study of coordination complex compounds. Study of coordination compounds is called as coordination chemistry. So what is meant by coordination compounds or complex compounds? Example I have written here, hexaamine cobalt chloride. If you see the detailed structure of this hexaamine cobalt chloride, at the center there is cobalt, and to this cobalt metal atom or metal ion, 6 ammonia ligands are bonded. So these ammonia ligands, they are present in the inner sphere. So from this inner sphere, this cobalt is bonded to 6 ammonia molecules or ammonia ligands. These are neutral ligands because ammonia has no any charge. So 6 ammonia ligands, they are bonded to cobalt from inside sphere or inner sphere. From this outer sphere, 3 chloride ions are bonded to this centrally placed to cobalt. So this structure is very complex structure. At the center there is metal atom or metal ion. To this metal atom or metal ion, some ligands are bonded, as well as some negatively charged ions are bonded. So total structure becomes complex, and that's why it is called as complex compound, or it is also called as coordination complex compound. And study of such compounds, study of such molecules is called as coordination chemistry. So the word that is coordination, this word is coming from the bond that is coordinate bond. As already you have studied different types of bonding: ionic bonding, covalent bonding, coordinate bonding. So this complex compound is made by involvement of coordination bond or coordinate bond. So what is meant by coordinate bond? If we see this NH3BF3 compound or molecule, there is bond between nitrogen of ammonia and boron of boron trifluoride. There is bonding between nitrogen and boron. So here required electron pair is donated by nitrogen atom only. For this formation of bond between nitrogen and boron, the required electron pair is donated or it is contributed by nitrogen itself. No contribution from this boron for this bond formation. So both electrons are given by this nitrogen, and this bond we can show from nitrogen toward this boron. So this type of bond where required electron pair is donated or it is contributed by single atom, it is called as coordinate bond. So because of this coordinate bond, this compound is formed. In case of complex compounds also, there is bond between cobalt and 6 ammonia ligands, and electron pair on each of these nitrogen it is donated to this cobalt to form this coordinate bond. So because of the coordinate bond, this coordinate complex compound is formed, and that's why it is called as coordination complex compound. So what is condition for coordinate bond formation? One atom must give electron pair for bond formation. So that atom which is giving electron pair, that is called as donor atom, and to atom to which this electron pair is donated, it is called as acceptor atom, and that acceptor atom must contain valence orbital in it. It must contain empty valence orbital or empty orbital in valence shell. So donor atom must possess electron pair to donate, and acceptor atom must possess empty orbital in valence shell. So there will be proper overlapping between this donor and acceptor, and there will be formation of coordinate bond. And if there is formation of coordinate bond, some compounds are formed. They are known as complex compounds or coordination complex compounds. Okay. So because of the presence of electron pair on atom, it is possible to form a coordinate bond. So because of the coordinate bond formation, complex compounds are formed, and study of such complex compounds is called as coordination chemistry. Okay, so remaining part we will see in next lecture.